Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about syntactic analysis in natural language processing. Yeah. What is syntactic analysis in natural language processing? Is the process of examining the internal structure of sentence to understand their meaning. So here this is deals about the internal structure of the sentence, how we are going to write the sentences and all for to understand that proper meaning. So here the syntactic analysis is concerned the proper ordering of the words, or how we are going to order that words in an correct format or not, and its effect on the meaning and its effect on the meaning. It involves that analyzation of the words in a sentence to depict the grammatical structure of the sentence. It analyzation of the words in a sentence, or it also based on the grammatical structure of the sentence. And the words are transformed into structure. The words are transformed into structure that shows how the words are related to each other, how the words are related to each other. Here it is having an example. The girl, the go to school. This would definitely be rejected by the English syntactic analysis, right? Here it is not having a correct formation. If, to get the correct meaning, it is not in a correct order, right? Yeah. And this syntactic analysis as follows some steps to create a like ordering of the words. First, tokenization. Yeah. Tokenization is like breaking down sentence into individual words, or we can also call it as individual sentence. We are going to breaking down this words in a sentence. That is tokenization. And the next, parts of speech. It is like POS tagging. We can also call it as POS tagging. Uh, it deals that identifying word type like noun, verb, adjective, etc. It goes to identify the word type, like which type of parts of speech it is. Like it might be in a verb, or it might be in a noun or adjective, pronoun, anything. And the next is phrase structure grammar. Phrase structure grammar is identifying phrases and their relationships. It was going to analyze that it is having any relationship between the structure, what that structure in a sentences. And clause analysis. Clause analysis is identifying independent and dependent classes, like which is independent and which is dependent classes. It is identifying that clause. If the sentence is depending or independent, or else it is based on that clause analysis. It's independent and dependent. And the next is sentence passing. Sentence passing is analyzing that sentence structure using parse trees. It goes to analyzing that sentence, that structure using of a parse trees. These are the different analyzation steps we are using in the syntactic analysis. And the next, syntactic concepts. Okay, syntactic concepts. First one is constituents. Constituents is that words or phrases forming a unit. Words or phrases that are going to form a unit. And the next, modification. Modification is like it has deals with adjectives and adverbs to modifying noun or verb, to modifying nouns or verb in a sentence. That is modification. Here, adjectives and adverbs are modifying the nouns and verbs in a sentences or phrases. Yeah, that is modification. And the next, dependency. Relationship between words or phrases. dependency. It's happening some having some relationship between words to words or phrases to phrases, sentence to sentence. That is dependency. And the next, garment. Garment is a word or phrase influencing another grammatically. So here the words or any phrases that are going to influencing another grammaticality, that we can call it as garment. And the next concept is binding. Binding is pronoun relationships. It identifying and giving of the pronoun relationship, that is binding. Yeah, these are the syntactic concepts. Next, go with syntactic tools. Which type of tools we are going to use in this is context-free grammars. CFGS. Context-free grammars. This is one of the tool for dealing with the syntax. And phrase structure grammars. PSG. Phrase structure grammar. Like it is about um, that phrase should be in a structured format, and that should be in an order format, having of the without having of any grammatical mistakes. And we can also use that. The next tool is dependency grammar. If the sentence is based on dependent to another one, or independent or dependent, if it is having the dependent one, we'll use this dependency grammars. And the next, lexical functional grammar, LFG, lexical functional grammar. And the next one is head-driven phrase structure grammar. Head-driven phrase structure grammar. HPSG, head-driven phrase structure grammar. Yeah, these are the tools. And the next, syntactic analysis techniques. Okay, yeah. Next, we are going to deal with techniques. Which type of techniques we can use for this syntactic analysis is top-down parsing. We can use top-down parsing and bottom-up parsing, chart parsing, shift to reduce parsing, dependency parsing. These are the different types of techniques for using syntactic analysis. And the next, applications of syntactic analysis is, first, we are using in the natural language process, NLP. And we can also using for the sentiment analysis, text summarization, machine translation, speech recognition. Yes, when we are going to do the projects based on sentiment analysis or text summarization or any machine translation projects, or identifying of the speech recognition, this syntactic analysis is useful for implementation of your projects. And we have some challenges to use this syntactic analysis is, it can having this resolution, and it can challenges by handling of long distance dependencies. This is also main challenge to handling of the long distance dependencies in the words or phrases or in the sentence, and capturing idiomatic expressions. You can capture all these idiomatic expressions, and it is handling with multilingual text. Multilingual text. Yes, these are the different types of challenges we are seeing for the syntactic analysis. And the next famous syntacticians are um, Noam Chomsky, Edward Spare, Leonard Bloomfield, Otto Jerpison, and John Lewis. These are the famous syntacticians we are seeing. Yes, this is about the syntactic analysis. It is overallly, it will give you that the process of uh, to know that internal structure of sentences and to understand the meanings. It is that should be in a proper order, and it follows some syntax for the word formation and the phrases formation. Yes. Yeah.